Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how we are building our home. Yes, you heard me right, in the UK.
Follow me to my site where we're building our house.
So today we're going to the site where we're building our house. I like to use the word building, not buying, because it's as good as we are building our home, to be honest. So the lady on orange, that's our estate, that's our agent. Let me just say that's the agent that we got the property from, and she's here to show us around. And this is the first time we're actually visiting the site to see what is there. And we're already here, so we're waiting for my husband's cousin. She's also my baby girl Tan and her husband, so we're all going to be looking at the property together, as well as my husband's younger brother. So it's a full house. You have myself and my husband, his cousin's husband, as well as his younger brother. Okay, so let's go into the house. Guys, the name of the person we got our property from is Celia, and she's so funny. Within 10 minutes of meeting me, she said I look like a crazy one. She's so amazing. Energy is so contagious. She's fun. So guys, what you can see on the screen now is the CIG image of what our property will look like when it's finally completed. Can you see how beautiful it is? Oh my god, I can't wait to show you guys around.
So it's just launched phase 2, which are basically these ones here, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 that's running up there.
So this is the back of your house.
Yes.
Yeah. Got it. So guys, our house is in the middle of an estate. So like all these properties that you're seeing here is an estate, and then we're right in front of it. So we bought the last plot and phase 1, and phase 2 is coming up. Anybody that wants to be my neighbor, let me know. You can let me know in the comment section, and I can just give you a link and everything if you're interested. But yeah, our property is the last house of phase 1. I'm so excited. I can't wait to move in. Guys, I need to show you guys what it looks like. Guys, we're currently at the back of the property. This is where our garden is going to be sitting in a few weeks time. Guys, this garden is so big. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Do you see the size of this garden? I can't wait to host a lot of parties here. Naming ceremony Monday maybe.
Watch your
I'm about to take you to the
watch
site.
your step, mama. Don't match Nelo.
So we'll go into the garage.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, see this. Isn't it amazing?
You can see the excitement. I was so happy. All this place, by 2 years from now, they're going to complete everything. So it's an ongoing project, but obviously phase 1, where my property is, will definitely be completed very soon. While phase 2 will be on sale, I think from 2025, I'm sure, which is when I'm sure you'll be watching this video, by the way. Yeah, from 2025 2026. Okay, so guys, this is the garage, and it's an electric garage where I'm gonna be parking my future car and where my husband will park his current car, obviously. But as soon as I get a car, guys, I'm kicking his car out, and that is going to be my garage for my car. Okay guys, this is the garage, and then it has an inbuilt utility house as well. So we're gonna have our, it's so amazing seeing this house in this form, this skeletal form, seeing how it's coming gradually. I'm so elated. We're all happy. From there, Celia taking us around, telling us this is where this will be, this is your kitchen, this is your lounge area. It's amazing. I'm so happy. I love the structure as I'm seeing it. Everything just looks perfect, like the ideal home that I've always wanted. And I can't wait to show you guys what the complete building will look like at the end. I've seen the CIG images, and I just can't imagine how beautiful it will be at the end. And I want you guys to stick with me on this journey. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel. Keep following Yeti Splash for more, because this house is our house. We're building it together.
here in theory, and all for your underfloor heating in here.
Oh,
That'll all
nice.
be boxed in and tidied up.
Wonderful heating.
Guys, can you guess how many bedroom this house is? Anyway, before you guess, I'm going to tell you guess at the end.
Yeah.
So just guess in the comment section first. I want to take a moment and talk about Celia. Celia is the agent that got us this property. She's very detailed, she's very professional. I love the fact that she's also invested in the property as much as I am invested in it, or as much as we are invested in it. Like, she sees the vision. There are still some things that I'm going to change in this house. Like, I'm going to convert a room to a walk-in closet, and then the fact that I'm able to tell her this and she's able to understand, prefer solutions, what we can do at the building stage to achieve that is quite amazing, guys. Like, kudos to her. Guys, this house is a 4-bedroom house. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Like, I'm so happy, I'm so excited. This space, so there's the master bedroom, is ensuite, and then we'll have our toilet and bedroom, and then there's a room close to the master bedroom that I want to convert to a working closet, and then we have 2 guest room, all double what's it called, double bed, or how they call it, double sized bed. So it's a double room, double room, very spacious, very big. If you're in the UK, you understand how tiny our houses are. So to even see a house of this size is like each room a double room. I really like it. And guys, can you see how big this room is? And then so the other rooms have their own toilet and bathroom as well. So the master bedroom, which is where myself and my husband will be, we would not be sharing with our guests, which is one thing that I was so looking forward to buying this property as well. Like, we don't want a place where there are some UK house, 4-bedroom house, 1 bath, 1 toilet. No, we wanted at least 2 baths, and one of which must be en suite, and we got that. Like, we ticked the box. So there's a toilet downstairs as well. So for the downstairs, what we have is our living room, our kitchen, walkway, cloakroom, utility room, and our garage, right? While as well as a toilet downstairs as well, a guest toilet. While upstairs we have 4-bedroom, one of which is en suite, and then also a communal bathroom and toilet for the house, which is also great, and as well as a landing area. And everything is, and guys, can you see that in the UK they use wood to build their house? Like, I found this very shocking and very funny, because in Nigeria we're used to bricks and everything, but here you see wood everywhere, like skeletal. I can't wait for the final structure, guys. It's amazing how you live. It's amazing how you do the things you do. So guys, this is the end of the tour. We're coming out from our neighbor's house, the house beside us. I forgot to mention, this is a semi-detached house. There are lots of different kind of houses in the UK. There's terrace, there's end terrace, there's semi-detached, there's detached, and all of that. So this is a semi-detached house. Have a neighbor, and then we're moving through our neighbor's space. We just wanted to also check that out, and then we're coming out from there. I'm really excited. It will take about, hopefully in the next few weeks, just few weeks, we should have our keys and then be ready to move in. But prior to that, you guys should stay tuned for my next video, because I'm going to be going shopping. Apparently in the UK you buy your kitchen, like you go kitchen shopping. So if you want a kitchen done, you just go to a store where they sell kitchen and you pick it and they come and fit it into your home. So we're going to be going for our kitchen shopping, going for our tiles shopping, as well as our carpet shopping. So carpet is what they call rug in the UK. We call it rug in Nigeria, they call it carpet here. So we'll be going for all of that. So stay tuned for part 2, guys. Don't forget to like this video, share, and keep following Yeti Splash for more. Till next time.